Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you my current work bag. And I'm so excited to bring this video to this channel because it has been a while since I've shared with you my work bag setup. I typically was sharing it on my other channel, but I've been having so much fun sharing content with you here. And I have so much wonderful content that's going to be on my other channel also coming. So I'm getting my groove with this one first, and then we're going back to the other one and getting the groove with that one. So you'll have double and even triple with my pet channel of content. So let's get started. So friends, if you're on my Instagram, you know I have been loving my new work bag by Austin Fowler. It's so classy, it has so much storage, and I'm excited to share that and the contents with you, along with some wonderful organizational technology from Adero, the sponsors of this video. They have this intelligent organization system, which is great for helping you eliminate the stress of leaving your things behind, those essentials that you need every day. So I'm excited to share that. But first, let me share with you the actual work bag. I love that it has the built-in compartments. You all know me. You know I love to compartmentalize when I organize any of my bags. And this one has it built in this beautiful fuchsia color. There are deep pockets down there, and they all can be adjusted. Okay, so now let's start with the essentials that go into my work bag, those things that are my must-haves every day. And one is my planner. This is no shock to anyone. So, that is my personal assistant, and it comes with me everywhere I go. The next is my tech bag. I keep my chargers, my headphones, and things like that, and that is a must-have. And of course, my laptop. So this is where Adero comes in, because Adero is something that will remind you of the things you need to take with you. It really takes a proactive approach to keeping you organized. And it's very simplified, and it really has these at-a-glance checks to make it simple when you're trying to leave the house and make sure you have everything that you need. So basically you have your smart tag, which goes on your bag, and then you have taglets that go on your essential items. And then you download the app, and it'll give you simple reminders about the things that you're missing as you're walking out the door, such as you're good to go or you're missing your planner, which frees you up from wondering, am I forgetting anything? Which, a lot of times that is a stressor in itself. I really do appreciate the fact that as I'm walking out the door every day, it's letting me know automatically if I'm good to go or what I'm forgetting. So now let's talk about those bag items, all the other things that I keep in my work bag. So as far as that and the organization, I'm going to show you as I go, starting with my traveler's notebook. And you all know about this from previous videos. That's what I take on the go. It's kind of a smaller version of my planner. And then in another pocket, I keep my stationery items such as my pen case, which stays on my desk at work, and then I take it home also, and clamps that actually serve as kind of file folders for me. So when I'm taking work home and things like that, I can clamp them in categories. So it's kind of like a file folder, but not having to kind of put folders and take folders and be bulky. So this keeps it very streamlined. So of course I have to keep my business cards on me, and I keep them in this little pouch here, and it's very convenient, along with hand lotion. I always like to keep some type of hand lotion, especially in the fall and winter time, in my bag. And a lot of times when I'm working, I have my bracelets on, I get tired of them, I'll put them in the same pouch with the lotion. So that's kind of like my beauty section of my work bag. And of course we have to have the umbrella. And the great thing about my work bag is it has a little pouch on the side where you can stick your umbrella. And then my coffee bag, and you all know about my coffee bag. And so it has coffee in the pockets and chocolate in the main part, or rather snacks. I have the healthy snacks towards the bottom. I really should have them towards the top, but they're actually towards the bottom. But when I'm on the go, it's good to be able to kind of have, those essential little snacks and coffee things that I love to nibble on hand. So as you can see, this work bag is excellent because I don't have to have all those little bags, because they have the little pouches. I can look down, I can get to my things, and I can adjust this to fit my needs. So it's really, really very efficient. I also love that I can just zip everything off so that if my bag is sitting down and someone's looking in it, they don't necessarily see all of my things. And then I have my essentials right there down in the center, which is easy for me to get to. So I am in love, total love with this bag. And I love that I have the Adero now too, to make sure that as I'm walking out the door, I get that friendly reminder that, hey Nikki, you're good to go to work. And then then as it closes, I think it's just a beautiful bag, and I love how it looks, and it really functions great for me. So I hope you have enjoyed seeing how I organize my work bag along with the new technology that I was excited to get and I'm loving. So I'll link Adero below. Definitely check it out. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.